Beautiful afternoon, everyone. Steve Burnett here from CutThatCableBill.com. Once again, that's CutThatCableBill.com, and you are here today because you're looking for a solution for buffering issues that have to do with Kodi and several other companies out there. I understand how frustrating it is for you to be attached to a certain company and you get buffering issues. So we actually have a very short video that's going to instruct you step by step on how to eliminate 100% of your buffering issues. But here's what we'd also love to do for you as well, which is we would love to give you a free VPN today, and this is how you do it. You see this code here, 44444. Text it to the number that you see, and something amazing is going to happen to you. First of all, you're going to get a free VPN just for trying out what we have to offer. But we also want to show you a beautiful IPTV service that we have that gives you the best HBO, the best Cinemax, the best Showtime, the best Stars, pay-per-view affiliates, all of the sporting channels, adult channels, local channels, everything that you need just for sending that text to 44444. And remember, you're going to get a free VPN. Now, once again, what we'd love for you to do is finish the rest of this video so you can get your strong tutorial on how to eliminate all of your buffering issues. Once again, this is Steve Burnett from CutThatCableBill.com. I truly hope you're enjoying your day, and I hope to talk to you soon myself. Bye-bye.
If you use a streaming device to watch movies, TV shows, music videos, live TV, then you know what I'm talking about when I say buffering or freezing or kicking you out. Then this video is going to be very important. You're going to want to keep this, refer to it, and share it. It's very important that you want to learn how to diagnose buffering. By the process of elimination, I'm going to show you how to identify sources, diagnose, test, and find the solutions to get rid of buffering. This is where you're going to get the first indication of the speed coming into your Amazon Fire Stick. This is where you'll be able to compare what it is you pay for. What I mean is what speeds, download speeds you're paying the internet service providers for versus the speed that's actually coming into your Amazon Fire Stick. To install Silk browser, we're going to go to the Amazon main menu. Select the magnifying glass on the top left corner. You could use Alexa voice search or type it in. Silk browser. There's the logo, there's the application. Press on it, select download. It'll begin downloading and installing. As soon as it's installed, you'll be able to have a browser and search anything you would like, just like on your desktop computer. Once it's downloaded and installed, you'll get the open play button. Select it, press enter. Amazon Silk will open up. There's the browser. In the search bar, and the website that I recommend you go to is fast.com. It's powered by Netflix. Netflix owns this speed test, so it's pretty accurate and it's non-biased. Fast.com, highlight go, press enter. You'll get this pop-up the first time you run the browser. Press OK, and as soon as you press enter, it'll automatically begin the speed test. Buffering can be pinpointed to 3 problem areas or sources. The first is going to be the Wi-Fi speed. How much are you paying for is the first question. Are you doing a regular maintenance on your router by unplugging it every week for 5 minutes, letting it cool down, letting the capacitors cool down, and then rebooting it? That will greatly improve the Wi-Fi signal and distance, and moving your Fire Stick closer to your router. They sell extenders, HDMI extenders, as well as micro USB extender cords that'll help you move the Fire Stick away from the TV closer to the router. The second is going to be the internet service provider, and the third will be the source where you're actually going to watch the movies or TV shows to get the streams. You now know how to run a speed test on all your Amazon Fire Sticks. In every room you're going to get a different speed because you're going to be farther or closer to your router. But it's a good indicator of what speed you're getting, and this is going to be the first diagnostic we do to eliminate buffering. This is the first in a series of videos helping you to diagnose your Fire Stick Android device with the specific issue of buffering. I'm going to give you 5 tips. First, run a speed test. We got that down, right? Number 2, reboot your router and your Fire Stick every week. Unplug the power for 5 minutes. This is going to clear old data packs, close any apps that are running in the background, and allow the capacitors to cool in the Fire Stick. If you've never done this before, you're going to notice a huge improvement in your Wi-Fi distance and strength. Third, uninstall any applications that you no longer use or want. The application takes up memory and processing speed. Then clear the cache of each application that you choose to keep. Fourth, pause the movie or TV show. It doesn't apply for the live TV applications. Go get some popcorn, make it, then resume, press play on the remote control. That allows the data to be stored onto the Fire Stick. That will minimize buffering. Number 5, choose a different stream for the movie you want to watch. If you click on a stream and you get any buffering, I recommend you back out and choose a different stream. The particular stream or link you choose, it may have issues on their end. Here's a bonus. Here's a 6th tip. Place the router as high as possible and in the central location of all the devices in your home, if possible, and not obstructed. Don't obstruct it. Don't have it behind any electronics. And if you notice where Home Depot, Walmart, businesses, etc., where do they have their routers? They have them on the ceilings, hanging down so the signal spreads evenly and wide.